Hi everybody, this is my week 9 update for my CSI 492 Capstone project. This week was UX development, so user experiences. Needless to say, I got a different group of people this week to give me feedback on the application. I added methods to all classes to enable the user to back out of anything that they're in. One user, Mary, pointed out a small defect that there's a back button there's no back button on the application, and that you have to use the one on the phone, the built-in Android back button. There's nothing we can do about it, but it's not that big of a deal. And then the other lady said it was easy to figure out, even for her, and she's not a avid phone user, but she was able just to make it work. I fixed the problem where you entered. The one problem that Gwen had was the hint was confusing. It was dark in the background, and it wasn't really catchy or easy to use. So I fixed that, and I made it a lot less confusing. And of course, all the back buttons now. I built in an option that'll allow the customer to cancel their order. In my experience in this industry, people only cancel orders when they want to add more. To keep with the simplistic, less moving part theme that I'm going for, I just added this. No user asked me how to cancel or edit orders. This is just an ordering app. It was not supposed to be a cancel or an edit app. It was initially, sorry about that, a misspelling, designed to have customers place the order, then the human element takes over, meaning they place the order and then they get contacted by a person. Automation in this field doesn't work well because things happen that are unforeseen, i.e. if a delivery truck breaks, we can't have a customer edit their order for a day sooner and have them expect to get their order. We can't have a customer placing an order at 3 o'clock in the morning and expect to have it delivered at 7 a.m. We're just not there yet. So we can't put something in the app where we're not able to follow through with what the customer wants. The app is built for the industry. We faced no challenges during this time period. So all of these questions are non-applicable. The class to cancel orders is pretty basic, but here is how the application looks. You can order firewood, and there's a back button everywhere. So in every single amount you want, there's a back button. And now, unlike the other weeks, all you do is you just tap, and then you could start entering your information in, and it's less confusing, whereas the other one had other information up here that you could change, and we corrected that because we wouldn't want you changing the email address that you're sending the orders to, because we'd never get the order. So now all you have to do is just tap, and then you could enter in your information and hit send, and it's that easy. And of course you can back out of it and back all the way up. If you would like to cancel your order, this will cancel your current order with us. If you still wish to cancel, please hit cancel order. If not, hit the back button. If you do want to cancel order, just click cancel, and it will cancel the order that's associated with the email address that you have that you placed the order with. It's an authentication thing. You would not want somebody with another email address canceling the order that you made. So you wanna be able to cancel it with your email address, or else the order just would not cancel. Thank you very much. I hope this was informational. Have a great day.